You nigga take me out, I am sorry.
You nigga take me out, I'm sorry.
Gago!
Take your father out. Take your father out now.
Do not get
Like,
anything.
Why? Like, I can do like this, that. Look.
Ay,
Look.
nako po.
You nigga. Give me the access. I want to like
You want
mind
this house? Oh, you want that house?
Jail?
Yeah, you want...
I have jail?
No,
jail?
you want that house. Oh, there you go. You have a two-flat house.
Jail.
No, that's your house.
Bro, no.
That's not a jail, boy. That's a house.
Bro, this is jail.
No, you steal my stuff.
You're
Nakong batang to, mag-teleport ka sa akin, uy. Ay, nako pa. Bahala kayo dyan. Basta ako, magbibuild na ako.
You take me out now.
That's your house now. You need 2 plots, right? That's more than 2.
I will pay you. Get me out.
Ah.
Hindi ko mapilot to. Ano
Okay,
na?
okay, that's good. You only have 2 seats. But no!
Guys,
Only
naglaro
one
ba siya,
set.
guys?
All set must be
Oh.
put in our spawn for the PvPers.
Take me out now.
Ah.
Sir, ba't di ko to mapilot?
Yan, there you go.
Take me out. Take me out.
Wait. Magdasal ka
Oh my God,
muna
take
ng
me out.
ama namin.
You nigga, take me out.
Yung nigga let me out.
Ang ng bata na to.
Nigga daw, uy, gagi, mababan kayo dyan.
That's M.
Sir.
Take me out.
Okay. Error. Explain yourself and say sorry to the council.
Sorry, take me out now.
I don't understand you.
You nigga, take me out. I am sorry.
Yung nigga take me out, I'm sorry.
Gago.
Take your father out. Take your father out now.
You're-
Ah, bro, sorry.
Wait lang. Wait, your explanation is rejected.
Sorry. Come.
Okay, again.
Guys, come.
Okay. Okay, another explanation is...
Oh, tangina nag-Spanish, gago, nakakatawa.
I send you a piece. Piece to take me out.
No, that's
I
not
pay you
our
a fee.
blood money. That's only $1, boy.
Bro, I am. You are the richest. Give me some.
I will. Oh,
So
this time I will give you a community service. So
What?
take another more glowstone if you are going out, right? Do not steal
Okay.
items from town of Neo in all the nations, right there, because it's
Okay.
bannable. So you need to be careful
Okay.
because I love you.
Alright.
Bullshit.
Not, bro. I am not.
Teka, kailangan ko
Ayan,
ng pots pre sa laban.
maganda
Oh, binabalik ka na. Kailangan ko lang yung buff pots ni Error. Kailangan ko yung buff pots eh.
Ang
Teka.
dami na nating buff. Uy, gago.
Kailangan ko lang just in case ng pre for the mas maganda gamitin sa,
Okay,
sa
Error,
random.
you're free now. Go grind, you a slave, motherfucker.
Blow my stuff. Blow my stuff.
No!
Eh, wag yun eh.
May mabuti ka.
Error. I will give you 100 rupees if you stop saying N-word.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko pre, never trust an Indian.
No, it's not Indian, it's Pakistan. He's destroying India.
Hindi gago.
Bro, just pay me $100. $100, Nagi.
Ano tinatawag niya? Underbot? Underbot?
What you need?
$1,000. Here, take that.
What? Where did you get this
Sinasabi niya
powder?
under.
I am just rich. You are poor.
Ang inang batang to, ang gago. Kaya nga nawalan yung tools natin kasi wala nang gunpowder eh. Ikaw yung kumuha na tang ina mo, Indian.